mkpụrụ osisi, mkpụrụ osisi, fruits. Ndewo. Hello, welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning fruits in Igbo language. And there are some you might think they are not part of fruits, but generally they are all in the fruits family. Ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Mkpụrụ osisi, mkpụrụ osisi, fruits. Mkpụrụ, mkpụrụ, seeds. And mkpụrụ could mean any kind of seed, like the orange seeds, watermelon seeds, mango seed, pear seed, and the rest of them. So they are all called mkpụrụ. So osisi means tree. Mkpụrụ osisi, fruits. Mkpụrụ, seeds. Unere, unere, bananas. Aṅara, aṅara, garden egg or eggplant. Some people call it afofa, afofa, garden egg or eggplant. Oroma, oroma, oranges. Oromilu, oromilu, lemon. Oroma nkịrịsị, oroma nkịrịsị, lime. Ayụ mmiri, ayụ mmiri, watermelon. Ọkwụrụ bekee, ọkwụrụ bekee, papaya or pawpaw. Akụ oyibo, akụ oyibo, coconut. Aki oyibo, aki oyibo. So you either call it akụ oyibo maọbụ aki oyibo, coconut. Aki ilu, aki ilu, bitter kola. Akụ ilu, akụ ilu, bitter kola. So aki ilu or akụ ilu, bitter kola. Now aki or akụ means nut, any kind of nut, right? Maybe coconut or any kind of nut. Just when they say aki, it means nut. Ụkwa, ụkwa, breadfruit. Anyụnda, anyụnda, cucumber. Mmịmị, mmịmị, pepper fruits. Otuboala, otuboala, tomato. Guava, guava, guava. Ube oyibo, ube oyibo, avocado or ube bekee. ube bekee, avocado. Shawanshop, shawanshop, soursop. Ọjị, ọjị, kola nut. Now, this particular species is called Ọjị Igbo. Ọjị Igbo, kola nut. Ose, ose, pepper. Ose oyibo, ose oyibo, bell peppers. Cashew, cashew, cashew. That's it for part 1 of learning fruits in Igbo language. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to join the community. Share this video and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss any update. See you in part 2 of this video. Kemesia.